Facebook is not a search platform. All right, it is not a search platform. So it does not function as a search engine in that way. It is a display, technically it's a display platform, meaning we use interruption marketing, meaning for us to put our advert on Facebook in front of our customers, we use something called affinity marketing. Now, the best form of affinity marketing is people who like your page, your page, what I told you to set up at the very beginning, module number 3, I think it is. When I said set up your social media assets, your Facebook page, people who like your Facebook page are perfect people to sell your product to. So that's affinity marketing. They like your page. They're good potential customers for you, okay? But it gets even better, because here's where, Wolfie, I'm going to tell you how to do this. So what you want to do first and foremost is have your Facebook for Business account set up, and you go to Audience Insights. And when you do that, you'll be presented with this page. Hopefully just confirm, stay on page, leave page. Let's just go back over. So you come to this page, and the first thing it's going to ask you is, would you like to build an affinity audience? And of course it hasn't done it for me, that sucks. Based upon, let's try getting rid of that. Do it again. Based upon people who like your page, or shall we just try and do it based upon, and again, people who are all on Facebook, all right? That's what normally happens, probably because I've spent so much of my time on here, it hasn't done that for me, but that's what would normally happen. So if you have people that like your page, it's extremely easy to get Facebook to find other people who are like that, have got an affinity with that, for you to go market to. So for instance, let's just suppose people connected to, let's suppose your page is Clarins Cosmetics, all right? That's your page, what you own, all right? And you want to go marketing for these people in Australia, and you want to find women between the ages, I don't know, for Clarins products, between 30 and 55, for instance, all right? So you can now say, well, the people that like Clarins also like L'Occitane. They also shop at Marks and Spencer's. They're into Breville, NutriBullets, the mattress shop they like, etc., etc. So you can get all of this extra data, which means you can now run a Facebook ad campaign targeting people that like Marks and Spencer's, people that like L'Occitane, people that like NutriBullet, people that like Swarovski, for instance, etc., etc., etc. So it means you can go after people who are like your perfect audience. So Wolfgang, I hope that explains that for you. It's extremely powerful. You can, by the way, do it on Google as well. And if you're in my inner circle, I'll be showing you how to do that this coming month, so August. And it's extremely cool to do on Google, but that's how you do it on Facebook. Hope that is cool. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon. that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.